Hi everyone. In this video, we'll solve the Codeforces problem 1374a divisible by x and not greater than y. This problem involves finding the maximum number divisible by x less than or equal to n and adjusted by a value y. Stick around for a step-by-step explanation. Also, don't forget, the code we use here is provided in the comments section below. Make sure to check it out. Problem overview. In this problem, we are given 1. An integer, x, which is the divisor. 2. An integer, y, a small adjustment value. 3. An integer, n, the upper limit. We need to find the largest integer, k, such that k%x equals y, k less than equals n. If no such k exists, the problem guarantees constraints where a solution will always exist. Approach to solve the problem. Let's break this down. 1. First, find the largest number divisible by x that is less than or equal to n. Let's call this max divisible numbers. This is calculated using the formula. This ensures max divisible numbers is the greatest multiple of x below n. 2. Next, check if we can add y to this number while keeping it less than or equal to n. If max divisible numbers plus y less than equals n, then k equals max divisible numbers plus y. 3. Otherwise, subtract x minus y from max divisible numbers to satisfy the condition k%x equals y. This works because shifting down by x, y keeps k divisible by x and adjusts for y. 4. Repeat this logic for all test cases. Key points to remember. The solution efficiently finds the largest k, satisfying the conditions. We only use basic arithmetic operations, keeping it simple and fast. The edge cases, like when n is very close to or far from a multiple of x, are inherently handled by the formula. That's how you solve Codeforces problem 1374a. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more problem-solving videos. And remember, the code is in the comments section below. See you in the next video, and happy coding!